Hi. Have you struggled for months or years with itching and smelly toenails? Have you tried various types of treatments but no real results? So now you've found the solution. I have decided to do this Kerassential review for you who want a natural treatment for the toenail fungus because I know it seriously affects the health of your nails. Hello, my name is Charles, and in this review of Kerassentials, I will provide you with an overview of the formula and discuss other aspects of Kerassentials, and at the end of this video, I will give you a very important alert. So I ask you to watch until the end. So let's get started. Kerassentials is a doctor-formulated natural formula designed to help you eliminate toenail fungus by mutating its growth and killing it off your nails. According to the creator, Dr. Kimberly Langdon, the formula was created for people who want a natural solution to treat the toenail fungus that has been severely affecting their nail health. You must check the availability of Kerassentials on the official website, whose link I left in the description and fixed in the first comment. Kerassentials is a liquid formula with numerous ingredients with health properties that can help enhance your nail health. Kerassentials is considered one of the best nail healthcare support formulas of 2022, and the formula has had a great deal of popularity surrounding it since its launch. This is why we have compiled all the information about Kerassentials in this video. Kerassentials' main benefit: it enhances nail health by removing fungus from your nails and skin. Kerassentials is manufactured in a GMP-certified facility natural formula that is non-GMO and does not contain any chemicals or stimulants. Major benefits of Kerassential: treats nail fungus, restricts mutation of fungus present in your nails. Enhances your nail and cuticle health, removes yellow stains from your nails, and supports healthy nail growth. Since Kerassentials is an entirely natural formula, the possibility of side effects is nil, suitable only for people over the age of 18, children below the age of 18 are restricted from using the formula. The time taken to show results will vary from individual to individual. The formula should not be used by people who have any medical condition and is for external use only. Kerassentials are in the form of liquid that you need to apply to your nails daily without fail. So, it can eliminate every type of toenail fungus from your nails along with restricting their mutation to your cuticle. The formula, along with treating nail fungus, also enhances your nail and skin health. One question that everyone who has heard about Kerassentials might have is, does the formula really work? And, is Kerassentials for toenail fungus a safe option? From the information and customer reviews available on the internet, the formula is said to be working. This might be one of the reasons why Kerassentials has so much popularity even now. How do Kerassentials work? The formula is created by using a natural ingredient that can aid in treating toenail fungus in various ways. Kerassentials get rid of toenail fungus by addressing the root of toenail fungi, which is to eliminate the fungi from your nails. All of the ingredients of Kerassentials work in synergy to kill off the spores of the fungi and restrict their spread. Then the formula works to stop the activity of the fungus and remove it from your nails. Once Kerassentials has eliminated toenail fungus from your body, the supplement goes on to enhance your nail health. The ingredients of the formula enhance the healthy regrowth of your nails. The formula also boosts your immunity and ensures that your nails are protected from any further fungal infections. You can get more information on the official website. Now I want to give you a very important warning. People who bought Kerassential on the internet did not get the expected results. Why? Because they did not buy on the official website. So I left the link to the Kerassential page in the description and fixed it in the first comment of this video, okay? The link contained in this video review may result in a small commission if you opt to purchase the product recommended at no additional cost to you. Please understand that any advice or guidelines revealed here are not even remotely a substitute for sound medical advice from a licensed healthcare provider. Make sure to consult with a professional physician before making any purchasing decision. Thanks for watching.